Hello student, welcome back. This is your civics video for revision class of unit exam syllabus. So I am going to discuss lesson first of the civics again. In this video I will discuss short answer and exercise of the lesson. So short answer type question. Question first, define decentralization. So what is the meaning of decentralization? When the power is taken away from central and state governments and given to the local government, it is called decentralization. So question second, name the committee which recommended decentralization. So answer of this question is Balwant Rai Mehta committee, who given the decentralization. Mention the three-tier government system in India. Three-tier system in India, namely Panchayats, basically known as village level, block samiti work at block or tehsil level, and Jila Parshad, which work at the district level. So next question 4. What is the Panchayati Raj? Panchayati Raj is a form of local government in the rural areas. Panchayati Raj is the full form of local government in the rural areas. Panchayats, Block Samiti, Jila Parshad put together are called Panchayati Raj. Question 5. What is the local government in the village called? The local government in the village is called the Gram Panchayat or Village Panchayat. Question 6. Name the three important wings of the village panchayat. There are three important wings of village panchayat are Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat and Nyay Panchayat. Next question. Question 7. Who is the member of Gram Sabha? Who is the member of Gram Sabha? Answer of this question, every adult member, every adult male and female who is 18 years of age or above is the member of Gram Sabha. Question 8. Who elect the Gram Panchayat? Answer is the Gram Panchayat is a small committee of 7 to 30 members who are elected by the Gram Sabha. Question 9. Who conduct the elections of the village panchayat? The State Election Commission is responsible to conduct the election of village panchayats. Question 10. Name the main source of income of the village panchayat. Sources of income of village panchayat are taxes on houses and shops, taxes on fairs and markets. Question 11. Who elect the members of the Nyay Panchayat? The village panchayat elect the member of Nyay Panchayat. Question 12. State any two functions of village panchayat. There are many functions of the village panchayat, but in this question we will discuss some important function of village panchayat. Construction and repair of village roads, provisions of the clean drinking water. So I am going to discuss the exercise. So fill in the blanks. A panchayat is elected for how many years? 5 years. Panchayat is elected for 5 years. Fill in the blanks 2. Dash was an ardent supporter of village panchayat. So here we will write Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was an ardent supporter of the village panchayat. So next, fill in the blanks. Constitutional amendment had directed the state government for the formation of village panchayats. So here we will write 73rd Amendment Act. Constitutional amendment has directed the state government for the formation of village panchayats. So next, who maintains records and register of the work done by the panchayats? So here we will write Panchayat Secretary. Panchayat Secretary maintains record and registers the work done by the panchayat. Fill in the blanks 5. Local government in the village is called. What is the local government in village is called? Village panchayat or gram panchayat. Question 6. Gram panchayat is a small committee of 7 to 30 members. How many members? 7 to 30 members who are elected by the Gram Sabha. So I am going to discuss about the matching. Here matching is given. Match the column A with column B. So Nyay Panchayat. What is the work of Nyay Panchayat? So Nyay Panchayat deals with minor cases of trespass, theft and other petty crimes. Head of the panchayat is called Sarpanch. Head of the panchayat is called Sarpanch. Gram Sabha. Gram Sabha elects the member of panchayat. Gram Sabha elects the member of panchayat. Gram Panchayat. What is the work of Gram Panchayat? Gram Panchayat elects member of Nyay Panchayat. And fifth, the secretary of the Gram Panchayat is a paid official. Who is the paid official? Secretary of the Gram Panchayat is paid official. So matching is finished. So I am going to discuss the state whether the following statement are true or false. So first statement is given here. No seats are reserved for anyone in the village panchayat. You know very well, in the village panchayat seats are reserved for SC, ST and women. What is the meaning of SC? Scheduled caste, and ST, scheduled tribe, and women. How many seats are reserved for women? 1/3 of the total seats are reserved for the woman candidate. So this statement is false. In Bihar, the president of the panchayat is called Sarpanch, and in the Punjab he is called Mukhiya. So the head of the panchayat means president. In the UP is called Sarpanch. In Bihar he is called Mukhiya. So this statement also false. Third statement. What is the given in third statement? A Nyay Panchayat can send a person to jail. This statement false. Why this statement is false? Nyay Panchayat cannot send any person to jail. So this is written false. It is compulsory to have women members in a Sarpanch. Sorry. It is compulsory to have women members in a panchayat. It is true. Because 1/3 of the total seats are reserved for the woman candidate. So this is compulsory. So this statement is going to true. So fifth statement, what is the fifth statement? Is saying the panchayat consists of 10 members who are elected. So this is statement is also false. Why? Village panchayat is a small committee of 7 to 30 members, not 10 members. Here is written 10 members. So this statement also false. Punts get a handsome salary. Punts get a handsome salary. False. This statement also false because punts do not get any salary in village. Punts do not get any salary in village.